Okay, friends, tonight we're going to ferment kales, and it's a mix of various types of kale. Redboard kale, and green kale, and dinosaur kale, all of them here. First of all, what's important is to cut them very thin. Of course, it's better to remove these thick stems so that the juice will interact with the salt and create the fermenting liquid. So we take coarse salt, always take coarse salt, and without any additives. First of all, we cut them down, same as I've done with the cabbage. Juice that's been released from the kale. So let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay. Start to massage the spoon to kale. Okay. Garlic here.
Ooh. Okay.
Sure. So let's start to fill in.
But look at, like, fermenting kale is not for the weak. Woo! This is...
No.
So we have round 2. That was... Yeah, mixing it up.
That's where the mold is created.
And mold will create... Yep.
No.
Can you save a batch if that happens?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
When these gases started to come out, you take out the weight, then you find some spike and you put the spikes through to the bottom.
Okay.
So there are holes to the most bottom where the air will be released. I keep adding more kale here,
Yep.
again layer by layer, and pressing down each and every layer.
Right.
We're going to use these leaves from, in this case, it's broccoli leaves,
Yep.
and kind of make a roof from them, flat,
Yep.
as flat as possible, so that the weight on the top will flatten all of the surface
Right. It will
and
put
push
everything down.
everything down. Thank you for watching from Garden How To.